sklearn covariance min-cov det. Description: explain in detail the minimum covariance determinant min-cov det estimator is a robust estimator of covariance matrices. It is designed to be resistant to outliers in the data. It works by finding a subset of the data with the smallest determinant of the covariance matrix, and then using this subset to estimate the covariance matrix. Inputs. Input 1: explain in detail X the data, where n samples is the number of samples and n features is the number of features. Input 2: explain in detail support fraction, the proportion of the data to use in the robust covariance estimation. This must be between 0 and 1. Outputs. Output 1: explain in detail location, the estimated location of the data. Output 2: explain in detail covariance, the estimated covariance matrix. Steps. Step 1: explain in detail. The algorithm starts by randomly selecting a subset of the data. The size of the subset is determined by the support fraction parameter. Step 2: explain in detail. The covariance matrix is then calculated for this subset. Step 3: explain in detail. The algorithm then iteratively refines the subset by adding and removing points until the determinant of the covariance matrix is minimized. Metrics. Metric 1: explain in detail. The determinant of the covariance matrix is a measure of the spread of the data. A smaller determinant indicates that the data is more tightly clustered. Metric 2: explain in detail. The breakdown point of the estimator is the proportion of outliers that the estimator can tolerate before it becomes unreliable. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1: explain in detail. Scatter plots of the data can be used to visualize the effects of outliers. Visualization plot 2: explain in detail. Histograms of the data can be used to visualize the distribution of the data. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1: explain in detail. Support fraction, the proportion of the data to use in the robust covariance estimation. This must be between 0 and 1. A higher value will make the estimator more robust to outliers, but it will also make it more sensitive to noise. Parameter 2: explain in detail. Random state, the seed of the pseudo-random number generator to use when shuffling the data. This ensures reproducibility. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1: explain in detail. Bootstrap resampling can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the estimated covariance matrix. Uncertainty method 2: explain in detail. Jackknife resampling can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the estimated covariance matrix. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: explain in detail. The min-cov det estimator can be computationally expensive for large data sets. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a dataset with millions of samples and hundreds of features. Fixes to challenge 1: the support fraction parameter can be reduced to decrease the number of points that are considered. Challenge 2: explain in detail. The min-cov det estimator can be sensitive to the choice of a support fraction parameter. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: a dataset with a high proportion of outliers. Fixes to challenge 2: the support fraction parameter can be adjusted to find the optimal balance between robustness and sensitivity.